Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll start by clearing your browser cache and cookies, as these can sometimes interfere with Yahoo Mail's login process. Open Google Chrome on your computer and locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From this drop-down menu, and look for the option labeled Delete Browsing Data, then click on it. A new window will appear with several checkboxes. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, as this removes any stored data that could be causing login problems. Once you've confirmed the correct boxes are checked, click Delete Data to clear everything out. Next, let's make sure the problem isn't with your login details. Carefully re-enter your Yahoo email address and password, making sure there are no typos. Sometimes a small typing mistake can be the entire cause of the issue. If clearing your cache and rechecking your credentials hasn't solved the problem, try switching things up a bit. Use a different web browser, for example. Move from Chrome to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Each browser processes websites a little differently, so this simple change might fix the issue. Alternatively, you can restart your current browser to clear any temporary performance hiccups. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Yahoo Mail login problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks.